My dog stole the skirt of the Christmas tree. Okay, look. Duke, did you take the skirt from the Christmas tree? Hey? Why'd you do it? Why'd you do it? Hey? It's mine. It's not yours. Why'd you take it? Why? Why did you take the skirt from the Christmas tree? Hey? Let's see what you did here. Oh my gosh. It's all ripped up. I can't use it anymore. What do you expect me to do? My poor Christmas tree. And look at that. Bit the plug too. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? How am I supposed to light up my tree? Off he goes. Wow, what a mess.